Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of Little Man Project's JavaScript in Storyline series. My name is Jamie and I'm a developer here at Little Man Project, and today we're going to look into exporting storyline variables into Word using JavaScript. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm in Storyline 360 and I've already created a slide. This slide contains a text box for the user to write up their thoughts. I've also added a download button and we'll make this run our JavaScript, allowing the user to download their notes. Let's create a custom variable and give it a name. In this example, I'm going to create a variable called notes with a type of text, and I'm going to modify my trigger so that when my text entry loses focus, it sets notes equal to the type value. We can then access that notes variable in our JavaScript. Next, we need to implement the code. On your download button, add a trigger to execute JavaScript when the user clicks the button. Open the JavaScript editor and paste the code in and click OK. You can find this code in our blog post, and you can find a link to that in the video description. Next, publish and view the slide. Let's paste in some dummy text in the text entry and click download. You'll see a Word document has been downloaded. If we open this, there's the text we pasted into the text entry. So the script works, but now you may want to change how this looks, and I've written the code in a way that allows you to update this quite easily. If we go back to the storyline file and edit the JavaScript, at the top of the script, you will see heading variables, body variables, text entry variables, and a file name, and you can edit all these to make the document look how you need it to. To do this, we will change the values inside the quotation marks. Let's start by changing the heading font to Gotham Bold, the size to 36 point, change the color to a bright yellow, and change the heading text to Your Thoughts. Next, we'll change the body font to Verdana, the font size to 12 point, and we'll change the body color to a dark grey. Here you can see the storyline variable that the text is being extracted from. This needs to match the variable we created in storyline, so we won't change this. But if you gave your variable a different name, you need to paste that in here. Finally, we're going to change the file name to Learner's Thoughts, and this will affect the name of the file when it's downloaded. Publish the module again. Type in some text and click download, and when the document opens, you can see that all the changes that we made are now reflected in the document. There are many things you can do with this code, and with a little knowledge of JavaScript, you could append multiple text entries, give each text entry a subtitle. This script is just a start. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to check out our blog for more storyline tips and tricks, and be sure to follow us on social media. Links to those can be found in the video description.